Assalamualaikum to our lecturers. Today, my teammate and I are going to discuss a topic about the importance of ecotourism in Malaysia. So, my name is Siti Noain binti Ahmad YUSNI.
My name is ELC151 IMAN binti MOHD NAZIM.
My name is SYAHIR bin Muhammad ROSZLAN.
My name is Muhammad bin ZULKIFLI.
So, without further ado, we're going to discuss the first topic of this discussion. We'll start with candidate A, please.
Thank you to my leader. And I'm going to express about my point on the importance of ecotourism to Malaysia. I believe Malaysia should emphasize the conservation of the flora and fauna. Malaysia is known to inhabit extensive rainforest that is also known as the wildlife heaven of Borneo. It is because we are known to have the rafflesia that is the biggest flower in the world. Also, let's not forget about the wildlife animals such as tiger, elephants, and the famous orangutans. Thus, this shows that the flora and fauna in Malaysia is a big attraction and it is a spotlight to Malaysia as a tourist destiny in enhancing the mother nature. With the help of ecotourism, it will ensure the lifespan and the homes of animals that will not be extinct. Other than that, it also shows how Malaysia revolves and depends around agriculture as a source of supplies too. Conserving the island in Malaysia will help in nourishing and show the beauty of sea creatures and also expand the interest of people in exploring the nature life in Malaysia. For example, the turtles. Therefore, by conserving the flora and fauna, it will give benefit to Malaysia in the long run. Thank you. That's all I have to say.
Okay, thank you to candidate A for discussing your point. We'll move on to candidate B to discuss his point.
Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to my beloved lecturer and my friends. Thank you to candidate A for the good point. Now, I'm going to talk about another importance of ecotourism in reducing pollution. Ecotourism itself is intended to be a form of tourism based on sustainable natural resources. Ecotourism does not harm the natural resources, but it works to protect and restore the environment. For example, motor transportation can cause air pollution from emission. So, with the advent of ecotourism, it can prevent such bad things from happening. By using this way, travelers will be more comfortable and confident to visit our country. This is because country with ecotourism have a clean and healthy environment that is not going to affect our tourists' health. Can serve them a memorable vacation. Alright, that's all I have to say. We continue to next candidate.
Okay, thank you to candidate B to discuss his point, and we'll move on to candidate C to discuss his point.
Okay, thank you to my group leaders and candidate B for the great explanation. Okay, the third point of our topic is to boost income derived from tourism. Okay, tourism is one of the biggest sources of income that a country can get, and the money can be used to develop a country. Government can use ecotourism to attract more tourists to come to our country, and this will generate more income to develop more infrastructure. Ecotourism also provides cultural literacy by incorporating local cultural logging, food history, and activities. Communities can improve their welfare as well as educate a wider population. For example, the income that we get can also be put into a good use and local people in the aspect of financial, medical, studies, basic needs, and etc. Thank you.
Okay, thank you to the other candidates to discuss their point. So the last point will be discussed by me, which is to promote local industries. The local industries in Malaysia is interesting and unique as our country is a multi-ethnic and multicultural country. Therefore, Malaysia produces a lot of good products and is comparable to international products. International International tourists and investors who come to our country will find a wide range of products and unique items created by our local entrepreneurs who can attract them to conduct trade in activities between Malaysia and abroad. Malaysia is also one of the countries that involves with the process and producing raw materials such as rubber and palm oil. because of our country is rich in rubber and palm oil, we can we can trade our products and thus attract international investors to invest into our country. In addition, this investment in trading between Malaysia and other countries can boost the country's economic structure and contribute to the growth of our country's economy. So that is my point for this topic. Then we'll move on to the discussion. So any others candidate has any question to others?
I have a question for candidate B. Can you give me an example of any crisis of pollution in Malaysia?
Thank you for the question, candidate A. Okay, in my opinion, there is two pollution in Malaysia. There is water pollution and air pollution. The water pollution because of the factories. Normally, factories in Malaysia is quite close to the water. This is a main reason why Malaysia has a problem with water pollution. And for the air pollution is occurred when Malaysia families are using vehicle more than their needs, as in two more of per family. Okay, this is why air pollution is biggest factor in Malaysia pollution. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you to candidate B for answering candidate A's question. I also have a question to candidate A, which is, do Malaysia has any conserved island, and could you name one of them?
Okay, thank you for the question, candidate C. I can say D. Yes, there is one conserved island in Malaysia, that is the Batu-Batu. It is known as Pulau Tengah. It's an off-right island in Johor. It is preserved for the marine life and scientific research. Therefore, the sea creatures and island is cared and protected by the government. Thank you.
Okay, so other question to ask the candidates? Okay, so the conclusion of this topic is that Malaysian people has to take part in taking care of our country, because this way we can also help to boost our economy and also introduce our country with the multi-ethnic and multicultural to others countries, to show that they should come to visit our country. So thank you to all the candidates for their points to discuss in this discussion. So that is for today. Thank you and assalamualaikum.